Windows do more than let in light. They shape your home's personality, influence energy efficiency, and contribute to overall comfort. For homeowners in Eagle Mountain, where architecture blends suburban charm with scenic mountain views, selecting the right window style is essential. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or choosing options for a new build, it's helpful to understand which styles are trending in your community and why. Below, we'll explore the top window styles popular among Eagle Mountain homeowners and how they can elevate your home's functionality and curb appeal. Double-hung windows. The timeless favorite double-hung windows remain a top choice across Utah, including Eagle Mountain, thanks to their classic appearance and functionality. These windows feature two operable sashes that slide up and down independently, making them easy to clean and great for ventilation. Why they're popular. Versatile for both traditional and modern homes. Tilt in design makes cleaning effortless. Ideal for rooms on upper levels or with limited exterior access. Homeowners love their clean look and balanced airflow, making double-hung windows a top pick in family homes and townhouses. Casement windows. Energy-efficient and stylish casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward with a crank. Known for their excellent energy efficiency and unobstructed views, they are becoming increasingly popular in Eagle Mountain, especially in newer builds. Why they're popular. Offer an airtight seal when closed. Easy to open, perfect for hard-to-reach places like over kitchen sinks. It's excellent for catching cross breezes on breezy Utah days. Casement windows are a favorite for homeowners seeking modern style combined with functionality. Picture windows. Framing Utah's natural beauty. With the stunning mountain and valley vistas that surround Eagle Mountain, it's no surprise that picture windows are in high demand. These large, fixed-pane windows don't open, but they offer expansive views and flood interior spaces with natural light. Why they're popular. Perfect for showcasing outdoor scenery. Low maintenance and highly energy efficient enhance interior design with daylight and openness. It's often used in living rooms or stairwells. Picture windows create dramatic focal points and a strong connection to nature. Sliding windows. A smart space-saving solution. Sliding windows open horizontally on a track and are ideal for rooms where vertical window space is limited. They're known for their wide viewing area and ease of use. Why they're popular. Simple design complements contemporary homes. Great for patios, basements, or bathrooms. Less mechanical parts mean fewer maintenance issues. Homeowners appreciate their sleek appearance and functional layout, especially in smaller or open concept floor plans. Bay and bow windows. Adding charm and light bay windows, typically made of 3 panels, and bow windows, usually 4 or more curved panels, extend outward from the home, adding architectural interest and extra interior space. Why they're popular. Create cozy reading nooks or breakfast areas. Add dimension and elegance to living or dining rooms. Boost curb appeal and resale value. These window styles bring both form and function, making them a go-to upgrade in Eagle Mountain's growing residential neighborhoods. Awning windows. Compact and weather-resistant awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, making them ideal for maintaining ventilation during light rain. Common during Utah's spring and fall seasons. Why they're popular. Great for basements, bathrooms, and above larger windows. Provide airflow without letting in water or debris. Pair well with other window styles. They're a subtle yet effective addition to any window design strategy. Final thought. From modern casement windows to expansive picture windows, Eagle Mountain homeowners are choosing styles that reflect their lifestyle, architectural taste, and environmental needs. Whether your priority is energy efficiency, aesthetics, or improved ventilation, there's a window style that fits your vision. For the best results, consult with a local window installation expert who understands the unique climate and housing trends in Eagle Mountain. With the right advice and product, your window upgrade will enhance your home's comfort, value, and beauty for years to come.